Harry, I'm struggling to find the words that do justice to that performance and that result. That must have been a joy to be a part of tonight.
Yeah, it was. From the first minute, I felt we were at it. I think one of the first attacks, we almost got a goal, and I think we built from there. And said to go 2-0 up, I thought we were cruising, and then we can see the goal that we're not happy with, but that can happen against teams like that. So, but I thought our reaction to the goal was amazing. Managed to get another one before half time, and that second half performance, not just the goals, the control we played with. The possession we played with, we stopped their attacks when they came. We defended when we needed to. I thought that second half performance was amazing to be a part of.
I think everyone in Cardiff tonight is going to be talking about Harry Wilson. A hat-trick for you tonight, captain over your country for the first time as well. Is that one of the best nights you've had as a footballer?
Yeah, it's right up there. Like you said, to captain my country is something I've dreamt of since I was a little boy, and said to get the hat-trick on top of that, it was amazing. But tonight ain't about me, it's about the team. I said after Saturday's game, there was a little bit of disappointment in the camp. Although we got the win, we wanted to score more goals, so we were determined tonight to show everyone that we can do that. And I said I'm delighted for the other boys to get their goals as well.
And look, the aim tonight was to put yourselves in the strongest possible position going into the playoffs now in March. Get the feeling after tonight, not many teams are going to want to come here to Cardiff. Yeah, that was a massive part of our pre-match talk, was about getting the win to get that home advantage in the semi-final, because the last qualifying campaign it showed that the home advantage really helped us. We were desperate to get that this time round, so yeah, we've got that again, and we're going to need them again come March. Harry.